This video is about the spacebar. The spacebar is that really long key that you can see at the bottom of your keyboard. There's some important spacing rules to know when you're using Microsoft Word. One of them is that you need to use just one space to separate words when you're typing. So for example, here, this big long group of letters, it has this kind of squiggly red line under it, and that's Word's way of telling us that there's a mistake here that we need to fix. And the mistake is that we need to separate the words with one space. So let's see if you can figure out what this should actually say. Put a space there, space there, space, space. There we go, and the red lines have all gone away. Some cats are allergic to humans. Fun fact, that's actually true. So you can see we need to have one space between each word. That's one important spacing rule. The other important spacing rule is to put one space after most punctuation marks. So a punctuation mark is something like a period or a comma or an exclamation mark or a question mark. So you can see in these sentences down here, we've got some more red squiggly lines because we're missing some spaces. So this says space has a distinct smell. And then we have some punctuation here. It's an exclamation mark. And there's no space between that and the next word. That's why it's red. So I'm going to put my cursor in there and put a space. And now that part's fixed. Let's keep going. It smells like diesel fumes, gunpowder, and barbecue. We've got more red lines here. That's because we've got a comma after diesel fumes. And so we need to put a space after that comma. So I'm going to click my cursor in there and click and hit space. I've got another comma over here, and I need a space after that comma. That looks better. And then the next sentence is the smell is mostly produced by dying stars. And this part's all red, and that's because I've got a period here, and we need to put a space after punctuation marks like periods. So I'll click there and hit my space bar. And now my sentences look much better. Space has a distinct smell. It smells like diesel fumes, gunpowder, and barbecue. The smell is mostly produced by dying stars. All right, that looks great. That's also a true fact. See you in the next video.